जानवी कपूर ने रिवील किया कि उन्होंने हार्ट ब्रेक का सामना सिर्फ एक ही बार किया है और वो इंसान भी उनकी जिंदगी में हर बार वापस आए हैं। टू नो मोर, स्टे ट्यून्ड and watch this video till the end. Janvi Kapoor has been quite open about her relationship with Shikhar Pahadia. Even though she doesn't address it directly, one can join the dots quite easily. In an interview with Hotterfly, she revealed that Shikhar is the only guy she suffered heartbreak from, only to reunite with him every time. जानवी ने बताया कि उन्होंने और शिखर ने क्यों ब्रेकअप किया था पहली बार जब वो लोग एक दूसरे को स्टार्टिंग में डेट कर रहे थे। She stated, in the couple of years of my periods, even month I would break up. Every month I would break up with this person. The first 2 or 3 months he would be in shock, but after that he would be like, yes, okay. And after 2 days I would go back to him crying and saying sorry. I wouldn't understand why my brain was working like this. It was very extreme. She added that she got her heart broken by Shikhar, but only to have him fix it back eventually. I have genuinely experienced heartbreak only one time in life, but the same person came back and put my heart together. So it was all good, she said. Janvi dated Shikhar for years before she joined Bollywood. She then dated her first co-star Ishan Khattar when they were filming Shashank Khaitan's 2018 romantic drama Dhadak. After breaking up with Ishan, she got back with Shikhar. फिलहाल जानवी अपनी आने वाली फिल्म उलझ के लिए तैयार हो रही है। The trailer of Ulaj showcases Janvi Kapoor as Suhana, the youngest deputy high commissioner who navigates a difficult mission at the London embassy under close watch. Gulshan Devaya joins the cast as a mysterious undercover agent. Roshan Mathew is also a part of the ensemble. The trailer hints at an international league that jeopardizes the lives of undercover agents and throws Suhana into a desperate struggle for survival. Ulaj, directed by Sudhanshu Saria, scripted by him and Parvez Sheikh with dialogue by Atika Chauhan, is slated for release in cinemas on August 2. खैर इन्हीं प्रमोशंस के दौरान जानवी हॉस्पिटलाइज भी हो गई थी, लेकिन अब वो डिस्चार्ज हो चुकी हैं। Her father Boney Kapoor confirmed the news, stating she was discharged on Saturday morning. She is much better now. A report by Times Now stated that father, her sister Khushi Kapoor and her boyfriend Shikhar Pahadia have been by her side taking care of her all along. Earlier this week, a source close to the actor confirmed the news to Hindustan Times, sharing that Janvi was admitted to a hospital in South Mumbai on Thursday. She was suffering from a severe case of food poisoning. Coming back to her films, she'll also be seen in Sunny Sanskari की तुलसी कुमारी, देवारा Part 1 and Suraiya's Next. Well, heartbreaks तो किसी को नहीं पसंद, लेकिन heartbreak ऐसा हो जिसके बाद you are reuniting with the same person, तो ऐसा heartbreak तो सबको चलेगा। तो फिर आपको कैसी लगी जानवी की heartbreak love story? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.